Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve when 2 by 5 power 3 times 2 by 5 power 6 is equals to 2 by 5 power 3x, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So as we know the rule of exponent, that is a power m times a power m is equals to a power m plus m. So I'm going to use this property on left hand side. So we can write 2 by 5 power 3 plus 6 is equals to 2 by 5 power 3x. Now I can write it as 2 by 5 power 9 is equals to 2 by 5 power 3x. Now we know that when the bases are equal, their power are also equal. So 9 is equals to 3x. So to find the value of x, I'm going to divide both sides by 3. So 9 by 3 is equals to 3x by 3. So we can eliminate this 3 with 3 and this 3 with 9 as 3. So the value of x is 3. I hope it's clear and you understand it. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.